How to use marks in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select an image from your gallery, or tap the camera icon at the top right to capture a new one. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, tap on the Cutout tool from the bottom toolbar. You will see options like Auto, Erase and Restore. Use the Auto option to quickly select common elements like people or background for automatic cutout. If you want more control, use the Erase tool to brush over and remove parts of the image manually. Use the Restore tool to bring back any parts you accidentally erased. Once you are satisfied with the cutout, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Now you can edit only the visible parts of your image or add effects that affect just that area. And that's it. Now you know how to use marks in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.